out there. It's a Friday, so we're hoping for a good turnout. And the weather's beautiful down here. It's supposed to be sunny at 82, so I don't think it gets any better than this.
No, it doesn't. Driving down the road in a marathon coach, going to a great resort. We visited here before but never stayed, so this will be our first stay there. Randy and Sherry, great people, the owners of the park. We'll introduce you to them, and we'll show you a little bit of the park. Not a real big park, but we've met some of the people there. Very fun people, so very short distance off Highway 95.
Yeah,
so,
I think there's 100 lots there.
100 lots,
100
yeah.
lots.
Beautiful clubhouse, beautiful pool.
Yeah.
So we're really looking forward to this. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So, and we're getting toward the end of the season here in Florida. We're in March, but a great time to buy either a brand new marathon. We're in Coach 1310 right now, Quad Slide. You can see what a great driving coach it is. We also have some great pre-owned, and just recently a lot of new consignments came in. Like I think 4 or 5 new consignments came in.
Keep your eye on the website.
Yeah, anywhere from 03s all the way up to 10s, 11s, I believe. So, and we've got Coach 1201, which is a beautiful one-owner coach, quad slide. So, another great pre-owned marathon with a 6-month warranty. So, if you're interested or looking for a coach, feel free to reach out to either Dawn or I or any of our sales representatives in Texas, Oregon, or Florida. So, reach out to anyone and ask them about what we've got available. So, and keep watching Randy, Dawn, and a Marathon Coach.